Is it recording? Is it on? Well, the light is blinking, so I guess it's on. Good morning. How y'all doing? I got up. Finally. The construction woke me up. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. It's going to be good ready with me. I wash my face with honey. Everybody asks me, how do I do it? This is what I do. This is some rosemary oil I made. I think I'm going to wet my face. Ooh. This is some oil that I mix together. Any oil. Olive oil. Tea tree oil. Peppermint oil. Eucalyptus oil. Lavender oil. As long as they're good for your face. Try to stay away from grapeseed oil. It's prone to break you out. But it's a good astringent. Not everybody can use it. Alright. I put that on my face. Because this is going to be a honey mask. So this is how I make my honey mask. Spray some. Okay. So you're supposed to clean your face and your neck the same. Décolletage, collarbone, neckline. Whatever you want to call it. Your cleavage area. I hate this bottle. The oil takes so long to come out of here. Okay, anyway. Okay, I rubbed that in. No, I did not want that to happen. Okay, I rubbed that in. It smells so good, y'all. I'm so stuffy. It rained. Well, it's been showers, but that's not unusual. Honey. You just put it on. I just rub it in a circular motion. I did not want to spit on my hair, but hey, I honestly don't care. I always put it all over my lips. Y'all, I have hair on my chin. I don't like it. Rub it in your neck. Now this is going to sit on for however long you want it to sit. I don't want to rub too much. Okay, so when I wash my face, I always make sure to get my hairline. I wash my hairline every day. I'm trying to get my edges to grow back in, so as much circulation as I can get for my hairline, I do it. And then I get bumps over here. I don't know. I'm going to start rubbing. And that's how you do your honey mask. So if you want this to stay on your face, 5 minutes. If you want to stay on your face, 5 hours. Go right ahead. It's okay. Bye.